They look harmless. Some are fluffy, some are tiny, and some are so adorable you'd want to cuddle them. But behind the charm lies a deadly truth. From venomous primates to deceptively sweet sea creatures, here are 10 of the world's cutest animals that can kill you. Meet the slow loris, a pint-sized primate from the lush forests of Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Don't let those big, Disney-like eyes fool you. This tiny creature is a hidden powerhouse. It's the only known venomous primate in the world. Armed with venom glands near its elbows, the slow loris has a surprising survival trick. When threatened, it doesn't surrender, it raises its arms, mixing venom into its saliva for a toxic bite. That bite? It can cause anaphylactic shock in humans and leave nasty, necrotic wounds in other animals. So, next time you see those adorable eyes in the forest, admire from a distance. This slow loris is small but mighty. Lurking in the tide pools and coral reefs of Australia and the Pacific, the blue-ringed octopus is a tiny marvel of nature. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, this creature is a silent assassin. Its neurotoxic venom, 1,000 times more potent than cyanide. When threatened, it flashes vibrant, glowing blue rings, a dazzling warning of danger. One painless bite can paralyze you in minutes, shutting down your lungs and leading to suffocation. So, if you spot those electric blue rings in the ocean, steer clear. This tiny octopus packs a deadly punch. Dolphins, the ocean's charismatic stars, glide through waters across the globe. Renowned for their high intelligence, lightning-fast speed, and tight-knit social strategies, they're true apex predators. But don't be fooled by their friendly reputation, these mammals have a darker side. Dolphins have been observed attacking porpoises and even forming gangs to bully or kill other animals. Dramatic tone, while rare, human attacks have happened, too, leading to serious injuries and even drownings. So, next time you spot a dolphin's playful leap, remember, beneath that charming smile lies a powerful predator with a wild streak. Dive into the wild world of the platypus, a peculiar creature thriving in the freshwater rivers and lakes of eastern Australia. This quirky mammal breaks all the rules, it lays eggs and even glows under UV light, making it a true natural oddity. But don't let its quirky charm fool you. Male platypuses wield a secret weapon, venomous spurs on their hind legs. Though rarely deadly, their venom can unleash excruciating pain that lingers for weeks. In the outback's waters, this duck-billed assassin proves that looks can be deceiving, and its sting is unforgettable. Meet the poison dart frog, a tiny jewel of the rainforests in Central and South America. Don't let its dazzling, bright colors fool you, these vibrant hues scream a warning to predators, I'm deadly. This little frog gets its lethal power by munching on specific insects, turning itself into a toxic powerhouse. Just how deadly? Some species carry enough poison to take down 10 grown men with a single touch. So, if you spot this pint-sized creature in the wild, admire from afar, it's one of Earth's deadliest, and you could flick it away, but you definitely shouldn't. In the icy waters of Antarctica, the leopard seal reigns supreme. Don't be fooled by its sleepy, sea dog appearance, this predator is armed with powerful jaws, stealthy moves beneath the ice, and lightning-fast speed. Its haunting underwater vocalizations echo through the deep, a chilling call to communicate. But beware, this seal is no gentle giant. Leopard seals have dragged researchers underwater, and fatal attacks have been documented. So, if you spot one lounging on the ice, keep your distance, this silent hunter can drag you beneath the waves in an instant. Meet the cassowary, a feathered giant stalking the rainforests of northern Australia and Papua New Guinea. Picture big bird, but with a deadly edge, this bird sprints up to 30 miles per hour and wields dagger-like claws that mean business. It even emits deep, resonant booms, sounding like a living dinosaur straight out of Jurassic Park. But don't get too close. One powerful kick from those claws can disembowel a person, and yes, fatal attacks have happened. So, if you spot this colorful giant in the wild, steer clear, this is one bird with a serious rap sheet. Graceful and serene, the swan glides across lakes, rivers, and ponds worldwide, a symbol of beauty. But beneath that elegance lies a fierce protector, armed with powerful wings and a highly territorial nature. Mess with its nest, and this bird won't hesitate. Swans have been known to attack anything nearby, even boats. And don't underestimate them. Their aggressive charges have led to several fatal drownings. So, admire these majestic creatures from a safe distance, because if you threaten their babies, you might not make it to shore. Meet the koala, Australia's cuddly icon, lounging in the eucalyptus forests. With its fluffy fur and sleepy demeanor, this marsupial dozes up to 20 hours a day. But don't let that fool you. When awake, koalas turn territorial, armed with sharp claws and muscular limbs that pack a punch. While not typically deadly, a provoked koala can be ferocious. Its attacks can leave serious lacerations and infections that are no joke. So, admire these fuzzy creatures from afar, because when cornered, this sleepy koala becomes downright terrifying. Meet the pufferfish, a quirky resident of coastal waters around Japan, China, and the Philippines. This small fish has a big survival trick. It inflates into a spiky ball and carries a deadly secret, tetrodotoxin, a poison far more lethal than cyanide. Shift to intriguing tone, but that's not all. Male pufferfish are artists, crafting stunning underwater sand mandalas to woo their mates. Yet, beneath this charm lies danger. So the next time you think, cute equals harmless, think again. In nature, survival comes in many forms, and sometimes, the deadliest threats were the sweetest smiles. Speech balloon: which animal surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to Fact Creature, where the truth is always wilder than fiction.